In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect iPhone 16 to Projector. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up an iPhone 16 or any other model of iPhone and screen mirror it into a projector. So to do this, you will need to purchase an adapter and the proper cable. So most projectors will have HDMI ports available. This is default, and sadly, you won't be able to directly connect it to your iPhone, so this is where the adapter comes in. The adapter that you need is a Lightning to HDMI. Of course, if you use a different port on your iPhone, such as USB-C, then you purchase USB-C to HDMI. Apple does make these official adapters, and I recommend simply purchasing these. They can be a little bit more expensive, however, they are guaranteed to work, and usually they are very reliable. They sell them on the official website, and like I said, they are essentially a Lightning to HDMI adapter. So you will plug this into your iPhone, and then the other end will give you access to an HDMI port, which you can then use with a standard HDMI cable, so HDMI to HDMI, to establish a connection. So one end of the HDMI cable goes into the projector, the other one goes into the adapter between the iPhone and the projector, and then you finish this connection by plugging the Lightning cable into the iPhone. And immediately upon this being done, you can power on the projector and your screen will be mirrored over. There is no secret to this. Remember that if you used HDMI 1, you need to choose this as the source, and likewise for HDMI 2. I recommend simply using the first one in line, and if for whatever reason that doesn't work, you can try the other one. As long as the connection was properly established with high quality cables and you power on the projector, the screen will be mirrored over right away. There's no secret to this and no additional setup needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 16 to Projector. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.